go, bro. Well, look at the front wheel stop, baby. Look at the front wheel stop. Yes, sir. Let's go. What is up? It's your boy Wheelie Jr. back again with another banger. Let's go. We about to go out on a Halloween ride, baby. We got everybody out here in some costumes. I was gonna buy a corrections like inmate suit, but they're like 40 bucks, and I was like, for like an hour ride, nah. Maybe next year, maybe next year. But we got all kinds of lit stuff out here, man. It's gonna be a fun little ride. I might end up still buying one of those little correction things. I don't know. Maybe for some reels. But I was like, bro, 40 bucks for like an hour of wearing it. I can't justify spending 40 bucks for an hour. You know what I mean? Especially knowing that it's not gonna make me the money back, probably. Yeah. Yeah. Got Steve on through out here, got my boy Poils. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's go. We're out here whipping this thing. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Ah, I got you. I guess we're going to the gas station. I don't know why the f we're going to the gas station. Why the f don't y'all fill up before? Y'all got to get gas beforehand.
Day 2, day 3, day 4.
Let's go. This man right here can wheelie too. Let's go. Look at my man right here work. Look at him. Look at him go. Let's go, bro. Let's freaking go. Let's go. Let's go, my boy. Yes, sir. I got out here whipping that thing. Yeah, out here whipping that thing. Let's see if my boy right here get one. Let's go. Let's go. Bro, we are hype out here today. Let's freaking go. My God. His brakes are about done too. His rear brakes, man, he is rubbing metal right now. Let's go. I love it. You love to see it. You love to see it. He got the little bear claws on. Ah. Oh, they're gone. We had to put them back there. That's comedy. His little claw things, the finger parts were ripping up off of the glove part. Shout out to Emily, the backpack up here, for putting this whole ride on. Love it. Love to see it. Look at him with the cruise control out here showing off, baby. Out here showing off. Oh man, that's some Beamer boy stuff right there. Some Beamer boy stuff. Look at him. We got a dog. Yeah. Now I'm on. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Let's go. Let's go. Got my boy out here on the pink S1K. Yes, sir. Pimp Daddy Walk. Oh yeah, look at him. Let's go. Let's go. We got a V-Ride back here too. But we got everybody out here. Yes, sir, with Yoda in the back. My boy got Yoda in the back. Oh man, this mint condition CBR600RR right here is friggin' beautiful. Beautiful. Probably the prettiest, most mint condition CBR I think I've ever seen in my life. Let's see what else we got back here. Got my boy on the stunt bike out, yeah. Got the GSXR750 out. Route 66. Or something like that. What else we got? Oh yeah, we got a Thunderbolt. Or Thunderblade. Well, oh man, I just wrecked my... Oh my god. That was some shit. See if I get with it. Look at him go. Yes sir, Sprinter. Yeah, that's right. I know some of the stunt boy terms. Mostly because I love that stuff. Huge shout out to Brian636, even though he don't need it. Man is the goat of the stunt bike life. Straight up nasty with it. I went to his ride, not this year, but last year. If you want to check out that video, go check it out right here. But it don't have any audio, so it has like raw audio of bikes. Yeah, so. Then we got a Z400 back here. We got a little Grom action. Let's freaking go. We are fan out today. Got a moped out there. Sheesh, that's one that's so loud. It's so loud, boys. Got my boy Poyle's out on his new GSX750. He used to have the R7. You all might know who he is from the channel. If you've watched some of the older videos. I'm gonna have to go hit the track up some more this year, man. It's probably one of the most fun rides that I've ever been on. Let's go. Got a Thunderbolt. Got a nice little Z400 right there. Female rider. Love the female riders out. Let's go. We got a Harley Z400. Let's see if we can make a big little poppity pop. Let's go. We out on the town, baby. Let's go. Let's go, man. Something back there popping sound crazy. Hell yeah. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's freaking go, man. I need to get me a stunt bike, y'all. If anybody got a stunt bike they want to donate to your boy, that would be nice. Let's keep going. When you got this big of a group, bro, you gotta run some lights. It is what it is. Cause it'd be green when the first people's going through, but not whenever the rest of them's going. Look at him up there, riding on the sidewalk. Yes, sir. Let's go. You gotta love when Harleys come out with us too, man. Gotta love it. I actually rode a Vulcan. I actually rode a Vulcan 900 not long ago, and it was probably one of my favorite things that I've ever rode. Actually, it for sure was one of the favorite things I've ever rode. Man. Yeah. Yeah, I turned my swag on. Ambulance. Yeah. Yeah. Watch this. Watch this. Oh man, I got him, boys. I got him. That's a good energy vibe right here. Good energy. Somebody's smoking that stuff, boys. I smells it. They're having a good time too, huh? Man. Got the Groms out, baby. I would love to have me a Grom one day. That thing is awesome. Yes, sir. Ooh. Bro, the little pops that the S1Ks do it, like slow speeds and stuff, and low RPMs is friggin', it's minty. Bro, the new S1Ks look so friggin' nasty. If I was gonna get one, and I would love to at some point, I probably will, but the white, bro, the white, oh man. The red, it looks good too. I've seen it in person, and the black, but the white, oh, it's like it's supposed to be a BMW. My boy right here is nasty with it. He's nasty with it. Man, I gotta get me a bike so I can do some slow speed stuff. This thing got too much power to be playing around at 35, boys. For me, anyway. Yeah. It's too nice of a bike to try and learn 35 with it, you know what I mean? Let's go. We gotta love the pink S1K, baby. Yes, sir. Let's go. There's no hands in this mug too. Woo! Yeah, let's go. I guess this would be a good time to tell y'all that I bought a Prius. Your boy's doing DoorDash with a Prius and YouTube, man, right now. For the time being, that's what I'm going to be doing for a living, is DoorDashing and YouTube. And I've been thinking about going back to school to maybe potentially become like an aircraft mechanic, or become even a pilot. I would love to work on bikes for a living, but they just don't get paid enough, man. Not for the goals that I have set in life, you know what I mean? I also thought about going to a trade school and becoming a welder. Yeah. Or, what I can do is well, I have to wait a couple years because I got a pretty crazy ticket on my record for speeding. There's 25 plus over or something like that. Yeah, yep, that's no bueno. So I can't go get my CDL right now. I would probably do that. That probably would have been what I would have done. Figured it was a good time to update you all on that kind of stuff, man. Who would have thought your boy out here on a 200 mile an hour bike? We're gonna call it a 200 mile an hour bike. We don't know for sure. I might have changed some gearing if we want to hit 2. But I don't know, with my light little butt, we might be able to hit 2. Who knows? Anyway, the point of that whole story is your boy hops off of this and hops in a Prius. Yeah. Yeah, he's reading in my book, baby. Yeah. Ah, got him, boy. Fail. No, sir, not in this house, baby. Not today. Not today. You got a friggin' Prius over there with friggin' underglow. Maybe that's what I ought to do to my Prius. Mine is not that new, though. Mine is not that new. I'm sorry I've not been posting you all. I've had so much going on, man. I've literally been constantly working on that friggin' car, man, since I bought the mug. We gotta pull it up. Let's go. Let's friggin' go. Let's go, bro. My guy out here whipping, man. I love to see people. Look at the front wheel stop, baby. Look at the front wheel stop. Yes, sir. Man is epic with it. Somebody give me an FZ07, bro. I want to play like that. I like how this bike looks too much, and I care about it too much to be trying to play with it like that and learn slow wheelies on it. I've been able to get them down to about 40 to 60 miles an hour before. I mean, not super consistent. I'm still in that middle ground right now. But part of that's because I don't want to destroy my beautiful bike. If I get me a stunt bike set up for it or something, or an MT07 and throw me some crash cages on it, that way I don't got to worry about destroying my bike, I'll probably be out in the lot all day. If you didn't know, we wore the suit out today This is the first time that I wore it since I wrecked at the track. If you haven't seen that video, I didn't actually get it on video, the wreck, but it was a good day, man. And then I ended up going all the way back home, 3 hours, picking up the R6 after damn near totaling this bike, and grabbed the R6, drove 3 hours away again just to ride with a buddy that drove all the way up from Louisiana, like 10 or 13 hour drive to where we were, just to ride with my boy. So that was awesome, man. That was a good video. If y'all want to go check it out, I'll link it up right there. Somebody's blowing that stuff, boys. Yeah. Let's go. It's a beautiful day in the USA. I got my tinted visor on. It's starting to get dark. One of my favorite like Halloween kind of rides to watch is like all the stunt riders whenever they're posting all their Instagram reels and stuff with everybody in their costumes doing wicked tricks and stuff all through town, and there's like 100 of them rolling together. That is so sick. That is so freaking sick. That is so sick.
That's not right, man.
Hell yeah. Oh! He didn't even. He failed. That was a fail. My man thought he got me. Let's go. My guy got the crown out, baby. Let's go. Stand up. Stand up looks so freaking cool, bro. With the handbrake too. Let's go. My guy out here flexing on us. Let's freaking go, man. Oh, with the combo. With the combo. About to spreader. Let's go. Let's go, bro. My God, they're whipping this thing. I love it. I gotta get a stunt bike, bro. I gotta get a freaking stunt bike. I'm gonna have to get me one. Let's see if we can stop it. Oh yeah. Let's go. Man, just wild coming up to the red light. I love it. I love it. Coming up to the light. He's coming up to the light like that, bro. I just inhaled a boat. Yo, bro, out here doing something wild with it. Oh, yeah. Let's go. Ah. Dude. My man. I've never seen that bike before, man. That's awesome. I love seeing new people out. Getting into some heavy traffic here. This is no bueno right here. Let's go, bro. Man, if y'all haven't already, go subscribe, like this video, and comment what your favorite part about the video was down below.